Sunderland's heritage is built on innovation. We are a global city.
We're good at creating. We have challenges that we need to solve. We have opportunities that we need to realise as a city.
A smart city is one that impacts on your life in a way that adds value. It's something that impacts on your health, it's something that impacts on your education, something that impacts on how you move around the city, and it should also be something that really enables you to have fun.
One of the great characteristics of Sunderland as a place is that the partners work incredibly well together.
The health sectors, the education sectors, the business sectors, it's everybody that makes this city tick.
What we're trying to create is a network of networks that will have that real positive impact on our communities.
Digital poverty has been a huge problem for this city. There are still many people who don't have access to Wi-Fi.
The digital divide has got wider. It's a significant issue for many cities.
Digital infrastructure is driven by the marketplace. If we leave it to the marketplace, there'll be bits of our communities left out. If you really want to make a difference to everyone's life, you have to take that digital infrastructure to every house, and that's what we're doing.
Many of the jobs of the future haven't even been invented yet. We need people who are really skilled in using IT and digital and all the possibilities that comes with. Our children now are getting those skills which we wouldn't have been able to do before.
The Smart City gives us the chance to create the 5G campus. And we think we will be amongst the first universities in the country to have that facility that will enable us to be more attractive to prospective students. But also it's really important for the research that we do here. We are central to the ambition to ensure that this is a great place to work, study and live.
As a manufacturing region, nobody does it better than the North East of England. The automotive sector is one of the key sectors across the city region. There's a huge opportunity in terms of improving operational efficiency. We're in a very good position to benefit from industrial digitalisation, and a key enabler to that is undoubtedly the 5G infrastructure. One of the projects that we've currently got is a autonomous logistics pilot automating a 40-ton truck. 5G has been the key enabler of that.
This project, because it will have an economic impact, will also have an impact on people's health and on people's well-being. We've done a lot of work this last few years putting assistive technology into homes.
A project like this has a huge impact on somebody's life. The problem being, how do we support people with disabilities to live safe, independent, fulfilled lives and actually having the same opportunities as everybody else. One of the things that people really need is just to know that they're connected. So whether that's, a device that's going to connect them to their family, to their loved ones, or to a more formal service, the technology is the connector.
We've started to make a real transformational difference. We've really driven forward in terms of fibre connectivity in the city. We have now a free, ultra-fast 5G ready network in the city. We were successful in the accolade of Smart City of the Year 2020, and just a few weeks ago we were successful in being crowned Digital Council of the Year at the Connected Britain Awards. We cannot realise the ambition that we have on our own.
It's really great to announce that BAI are going to be the partner in Sunderland to enable us to create that network of networks.
This is a very special partnership that BAI and Sunderland are entering into for the next 20 years. When we discovered what actually Sunderland was setting out to achieve, it became very obvious as to what our role could be within that.
It's a real game changer for the city.
They want to be a true partner to work with us through this journey to create something that will help us become an absolute global centre of excellence in this space.
Those that know of BAI will know that we're very relevant in some major cities around the world, such as Sydney, Hong Kong, New York, Toronto, and actually more recently London. Next stop Sunderland. We see this as being the showcase for other cities to actually look in on, and Sunderland will be the envy of other cities, there's no doubt about that.
We will be watched around the world. This is setting the city up for the future because it will have an economic impact. It will become a much more prosperous city where everyone in our city has access to great education, great health, great transport, and actually will live healthier lives for longer.
It means we are more competitive. It will enable us to secure the future of this automotive sector going forward.
Sunderland will be a truly super connected city. From Washington to Horton, it brings everybody into this.
It's opening up just a whole world of opportunities for the future.
It's not about tech for tech's sake, it's about the difference that we can make to people's lives. It's about that true innovation, those data and digital solutions that will really help to drive this city forward. It will make Sunderland a great place to live, to work and to play.